Hello po guys, maglalaro tayo ng bagong update ng Grow Garden. Mamaya muna natin ang update. Muna natin itong pet mutation. Frozen! Frozen yung raptor ko guys. Frozen raptor ko. Yung kitsune naman. Lang. Si Chris Pratt or si Chris Pig. Yeah. Wait. Kalimutan. Ito yung nakuha ko sa jump pad sa OB. Ito food crate. Guys, tingnan niyo yung cosmetics ko. Napakarami ha. Yan kaunti. Tara, delete muna natin yung mga to. Let's delete. Look, ba't ko nire? Chocolate naman to. Inano kasi. Anong ginagawa ng frozen raptor ko? Alay na ko, Every 456 minutes, 4 minutes, chance nearby fruit becomes frozen. Paldo. Ito na yung frozen. 14 billion pa rin. Parang may bago seed. Wala. Wait, where is my... Nasaan yung aking... Nasaan yun? Elder Strawberry, yun. Ganun lang pala yung mukha nito. Oh! Paldo! Sugar apple! Bago 7.15 pa lamang. Bago Grandmaster Prime Stick massively increased growth speed, mutation chances, fruit size, and boost pets last 10 minutes. Okay. I think it's better than a Master. Parang may gusto. Hanggang 5 at ingredients sila. Hawa ko football. Ayun na lang. Ayun lang yun sa bagong update ng Brookhaven. Peace out, Boy Scouts. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to like and subscribe for more of these videos. Wasyog.